G'day dtubers. Well, I'm Steve Mack. I'm from Australia, as you've probably worked out. If not, I'll put subtitles down below. I'm going for a record, this being my very shortest video. Don't know how I'll go, but I'll try. It occurred to me that even though I first posted videos on dtube earlier this year, I haven't actually made an introductory video, so please consider it this. Wanted to say, being a YouTuber now for 12 years, the transition to dtube confuses the hell out of me, to be frank. And look, please leave your comments below because I'm lost. The more I look into it, the more confused I get. The difference between Steemit and dtube, etc. I'm not here for the money, never have been, even with YouTube. Came over here primarily because I heard about dtube around the time of demonetization. As far as I'm concerned, YouTube, this is your biggest mistake ever. The evil demonetization of YouTube. And look, I was never making much money with it anyway, maybe $100 a year. I never did it for that. I've always just made videos I like, which is why I don't have any one particular genre. I think that'd be very stifling. For me, it's just an outlet. I will tell you things the way they are, in my humble opinion. Look, already this week I'll go through spurts. I'll make videos now and then. Always fairly often these days. At first on YouTube, I would just make one sporadically. Now I just try for better and better production value. So as you'll see if you check out some of my videos, I've actually made 3 within the past week. The latest one is this one. Do a test of the drone. I'll change things again. Just to clarify, I need to speak clearer. I did not say I've changed sex again. I said I've changed things again. Let's watch that again, shall we? Do a test of the drone. I've changed things again. We're now a massive big thing under the controller. So stopping at Fernvale first to get something to eat and a coffee. And a few days before that I made this one.
The birds, they got help from below, from dirty ponds and the creatures of snow. They were scared down in their homes. The forest that once was green was colored black by those killing machines. But she and her furry friends took down the queen bee and her men. And that's how the story goes, the story of the bees with those 4 dirty paws.
And interspersed amongst them was this one. You ever done something stupid in your life? I know I have. Because that entire reassembly video I was filming that pulley instead of that. That's the benefit of doing things on your own. So hopefully, and this is by no means the limit, or extent of what I make. I just make what I like, something I think that you'll enjoy, hopefully. If it happens to hit the mark, well, that's great. I try and help where I can. I do have videos with different tips and ideas of particularly health things I've found and discovered myself. Look at all the other muck we're drinking. Well, good day everyone. I thought I'd bring you an update with regards to rosacea, colloidal silver, and what I've realised just yesterday, the ratio has to be absolutely critical when you are making the colloidal silver. Just put a drop on there. Just gave a little squeeze of that and went one of those into one of these glass bottles that I use for drinking water, and just do a bit of this once or twice a day. I always get it there, so just splash it on. Well, I've never got it on because refreshing. And it is very rewarding when people actually comment and say, hey look, we tried that and it works. So yeah, look, I just want to make videos to entertain people and to entertain myself. If I make a video that I think, yeah, I like that, well, I'm hoping other people will too. So check them out. I have some already on dtube. And also, can someone let me know, is it okay that I put videos that I make for YouTube on dtube as well? And should I put them in the dtube, should I upload them to dtube or via Steemit? I'm confused on that. Yeah, okay, well, it's a big loading curve, a massive one. And by the way, in case you've noticed, no, I am not a New Zealander. I have been to New Zealand 15 times within a 10-decade period. Sorry, a 10-year period. Slight difference there, I'm not quite 100, even though I may look it. Yeah, and the fern is actually the national symbol of New Zealand. It just happens to be the symbol of the All Blacks. Anyway, okay, well, yeah, I'm Steve Mack, and thanks for joining me. Hope to see you around. Bye. Oh, my standard sign-off I always have been doing is. So there you go. Now it's officially stamped on dtube. See ya. Well.
We should hit the star. We should hit the star.
I lost signal, that's bullshit.